Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos, tutorials, and exclusive content just for you. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating awesome videos. Alright, let's get started. In the world of finance, there's a powerful concept called OPM, other people's money. Simply put, it means using funds borrowed from others to make investments. Imagine buying a house. You probably wouldn't pay all cash. You'd get a mortgage, right? That's OPM in action. Instead of using only your savings, you leverage the bank's money to acquire an asset. This principle can be applied to various investments, from real estate to starting a business. It's about being resourceful and using available funds to create wealth. Understanding OPM is crucial for anyone looking to grow their money faster. It's not about being rich already. It's about being smart with resources. By grasping this concept, you open doors to opportunities that your own savings might not immediately allow. OPM is like a turbocharger for your investments. It allows you to amplify your returns. Let's say you have $10,000 to invest. You could buy one rental property. But what if you use that money as a down payment on 4 properties instead? Suddenly, your potential for rental income quadruples. That's the magic of leverage. By using OPM, you control more assets and accelerate your wealth-building journey. Of course, it comes with responsibilities. Managing debt is key, but when used wisely, OPM can be a game changer. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about making your money work harder for you. So how do you actually use OPM? One common way is through traditional loans, like mortgages for real estate or business loans. Another powerful strategy is joint ventures. Pool resources with someone who has the capital but lacks your expertise. You bring the knowledge, they bring the money, and you both share the profits. Private lenders are another avenue. These could be family, friends, or individual investors who are interested in supporting your venture. The key is to present a solid plan and offer a fair return. Remember, transparency and clear agreements are crucial for any OPM strategy. Treat borrowed money with respect and always aim for win-win situations. Section 4. Real-world examples of OPM in action. Let's look at Sarah, who wanted to open a bakery. She had a fantastic recipe but limited savings. Instead of giving up, Sarah partnered with a friend who believed in her vision. The friend invested the capital and Sarah ran the business. They shared the profits, and soon, Sarah was able to buy out her partner and become the sole owner. This is just one example of how OPM can turn dreams into reality. From real estate moguls to tech startups, countless success stories involve leveraging other people's money. Remember, it's not about taking advantage of anyone. It's about finding mutually beneficial arrangements that allow everyone to prosper. Section 5. Navigating the risks of OPM. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: risk. Yes, using OPM comes with inherent risks. The biggest one is debt. If your investment doesn't go as planned, you're still responsible for repaying what you borrowed. That's why due diligence is crucial. Thoroughly research any investment and have a solid plan. Diversification is also key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments to mitigate potential losses. Lastly, remember that knowledge is your best defense. Educate yourself about different investment strategies, market trends, and risk management techniques. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of OPM. Section 6. Unleash the power of OPM, a path to financial freedom. OPM is not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool for those who understand how to use it wisely. It's about being resourceful, strategic, and responsible. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere. Don't be afraid to start small, learn as you go, and seek guidance from mentors or financial advisors. With careful planning, due diligence, and a bit of courage, you can leverage the power of OPM to create a brighter financial future for yourself. Start your journey today and watch your wealth-building dreams take flight.